Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and this is a Honda powered water pump. It come in because it doesn't run. Speaking to the customer, it's been sat around for a year. So I suspect the carburetor needs a clean. Let's see if it's what I suspect. For starters, let's take the float bowl off. I've turned the fuel off and just need to do this on 10mm bolt underneath. And yeah, that's not looking good for starters. It's not the right nice colour, so it's old fuel, just simply by the simple colour of it. That won't help it start either. A bowl full of old fuel just won't start up. Right, let's take bolt off, a couple of taps, and tap there. See what the bowl's like. It's not that pretty. So the carburetor's going to have to come off and be cleaned. It's always this style of carburetor that's the problem. One thing I discovered while I was taking it apart, taking the carburetor off, is this. This goes through to the butterfly, and it is very, very stiff to shift, to move. So that will be another reason why the machine doesn't start up, because the butterfly is basically closed. See that there? This goes down to the butterfly, and it is stiff. So that will need lubricating up, because you need that to freely move, so it can open up to rev the engine up. Because if it's stuck like that, it's not going to not run properly. Away. Okay, now I've taken the carburetor away. I've got the main jet to clean out. I've got the emulsifying tube to clean out, because you can't see any holes, light through any of the holes. The float bowl to clean out. The float needle and float. And the carburetor. Now, I should take that off, but as you can see, it's chewed up, and I've tried doing it and I don't want to snap that off, which basically means end up having another carburetor. So I'll just leave that in and put that through the ultrasound as it is. Right, now I've put these through the ultrasound cleaner, some of these jets still need cleaning out. Now, I've got various tools for it. Some of these are great for going down through the centre because they're big enough. But some of these holes are a bit too small. So, as an improv tool, this is the end of an OPC, drive cable, whatever. And I've unwound the wires, and these are just perfect for going into these holes, so they're clean. And remember, the hole goes all the way through, and after you've done it, after you've cleared them through, put them up to the light to make sure you can see light all the way through, and then you know they're not blocked up. Because if these get blocked up on a Honda carburetor, it basically means the engine will only run if it's on choke, and it's not a good thing, because it then mucks up the carburetor, spark plug and other stuff. So make sure all the jets are clear and you can see through them, which I can now. And also the main jet. The main jet was blocked, so this has got to be pushed through there finally, and that will let the fuel through, because if this is blocked, no fuel's going to get up through the carburetor. Now I can see light through it. Don't know if you can. So let's reassemble the carburetor. Right, the carb's mainly back together again, but this is the float bowl after it's been through the ultrasound. It's a hell of a lot cleaner. So right, let's put it back on here, and then the carb on the machine. Also, one of the things I had to do, I forgot to mention, lubricate these two ends. And what I've done is put a bit of oil, WD-40, in that spot there and that spot there, and we wiggled it backwards and forwards, and now this is free. I'll do the same thing for this end because the choke mech is a bit sticky as well. Right, the carburetor's back together again. I've put a new air filter on it because it didn't have an air filter. I admit I haven't checked the spark plug. I've done choke, fuel, switch it on. I won't run it for long because it's a water pump and you don't run water pumps dry. So a couple of seconds, and that means then I know that it runs. Okay, contact. Oh, that'll be one to ring the customer up now and get it back to him. Take care. Okay, that's another carb cleaning video done. Hope it was helpful, and take care and see you next video, folks. Bye.